The roar of the equipment in action. The sound of trees falling during the felling process. Be prepared to witness the meticulous and impressive logging process. It's time to get started. When felling a large oak tree, safety should always be the top priority. A chainsaw can cut the tree, but cannot control the direction in which it will fall. Always calculate and determine the direction in which the tree will fall to ensure the safety of everyone around. This is a scene of Japanese experts working on a giant elm tree, over 300 years old, right at the sawmill with the help of modern machinery. What is remarkable is that they do not cut in a hurry. Each time the saw blade is inserted into the wood, it is carefully sharpened and aligned to ensure near absolute precision. This meticulousness, combined with extensive experience, has created boards with clear grain, even texture, and extremely beautiful appearance. If you have to cut down a tree like this man, be careful in every operation to avoid unfortunate accidents. The RT400 is the embodiment of the destroyer of stubborn tree stumps. Just look at the steel saw blades at work. You can see its destructive power. With such power, it seems that any stubborn tree stump will be destroyed by it in a short time. The John Deere 959K Feller Buncher is a powerful logging machine. Equipped with a powerful cutting head, the machine easily knocks down any large tree in a short time. In addition, the machine is integrated with the JD Link system to help increase efficiency and optimize workflows. If you want to improve your efficiency in logging, the John Deere 959K Feller Buncher is the ideal choice. At Alal Ramak, sawing and cutting wood is not just production, but really a technical demonstration. The logs are loaded onto the conveyor belt by crane, and the frame saw machine will remove the bark and cut the trunk into regular pieces. Everything takes place extremely smoothly and accurately under the skillful control of the workers who are operating the equipment. Logging in winter is a real challenge. It requires not only skilled workers, but also strength to overcome harsh conditions. They deserve respect. Remember, we always need to be vigilant in the process of cutting down trees to avoid problems. The Bandit Beast. 4680 is a formidable woodworking machine. Powered by a powerful hydraulic motor, the machine easily crushes logs into chips quickly. When combined with excavators and bridge cutters, the trio creates an efficient production line, helping to increase productivity and save time. This worker's technique of cutting down trees is incredible. With skillful hands, he creates perfect cuts. Moreover, his extensive experience has helped him accurately calculate the direction of the fallen tree and get to a safe place in time after cutting the wood. These workers are using a special trick to create an even round shape for the log. This is a form of removing the fresh wood layer and the outermost layer of the log called circular processing. Despite providing high aesthetic beauty, the process still exposes hardwood, making it susceptible to mold and moisture damage. To minimize risk, proper sealing and finishing is essential. Cutting down trees that are falling on their sides is always more difficult than straight trees. However, with the experienced king of this worker, it seems that all difficulties have become simple. This stump puller marks a major step forward in the forestry industry. Equipped with an optimal force system and precise force distribution, stump removal is easier than ever. With its durable structure and powerful hydraulic system, it remains stable even when handling the largest tree stumps. Not only saving time, the machine also significantly reduces effort, bringing high efficiency in clearing the soil. When combining John Deere 1270G forest harvester with H415 cutting head, it brings extremely outstanding working performance during work. Not only is the machine easy to move, but it is also capable of cutting down trees and processing the trunks on the spot. In addition, the machine is also equipped with an intelligent control lever and a swivel cockpit that helps to observe and adjust the cutting direction accurately. The Maho Minimax is a versatile wood sawmill. Designed to be compact and flexible, the machine easily transforms rough logs into smooth and even logs in a matter of moments. In particular, Minimax also stimulates creativity, allowing ideas to be turned into unique wood products, a comprehensive solution for every project, from small to large. The Maho Minimax is a versatile wood sawmill. Designed to be compact and flexible, the machine easily transforms rough logs into smooth and even logs in a matter of moments. In particular, Minimax also stimulates creativity, allowing ideas to be turned into unique wood products, a comprehensive solution for every project, from small to large. Cutting down fallen trees in the right direction always requires the tree cutter to have a lot of skills. To control the direction of the falling tree, using jacks and wedges is always the best solution. If you want to cut down fallen trees in the right direction in the future, please refer to this method. The Bandit Beast 4680 is a formidable woodworking machine. Powered by a powerful hydraulic motor, the machine easily crushes logs into chips quickly. When combined with excavators and bridge cutters, the trio creates an efficient production line, helping to increase productivity and save time. The Bobcat machine is an extremely powerful tree cutter. It can cut down trees and transport logs quickly, even in extreme weather conditions. The timber tail clamp at the back of it provides a noticeable increase in productivity. Even so, the issue of safety should still be taken into account. This is probably an incident that any driver on the move would not want. Fortunately, no dangerous incidents occurred. Choosing the wrong vehicle can make the job much more difficult. Obviously, the Forza 650 is not a good assistant. In the thick and slippery snow, it cannot generate enough traction to support the truck. It looks like they have a long way to go. The combination of humans and machines is amazingly effective. Not only does it contribute to increased productivity, but it also minimizes the impact on the environment thanks to precise cuts. This is a method to help manage and develop forests in a sustainable and effective way. Black Splitter is clearly showing its power in each wood-splitting operation. Equipped with a conical drill head and a powerful rotation mechanism, the machine easily breaks down large tree trunks. Besides, the sturdy structure helps the equipment operate stably and durably and supports logging work in the field. Black Splitter is clearly showing its power in each wood-splitting operation. Equipped with a conical drill head and a powerful rotation mechanism, the machine easily breaks down large tree trunks. Besides, the sturdy structure helps the equipment operate stably and durably and supports logging work in the field. The horses still prove their value to the forestry industry. In rugged terrain, using horsepower to transport timber is extremely flexible and safe. This is a traditional method and very effective. In order for redwood forests to always grow green, it is extremely important to remove trees that grow too close to each other. This process not only helps young trees have enough space and nutrients to thrive, but also contributes to maintaining the natural balance of the forest ecosystem.